right? Hello, people. Today we are going to continue with our Igbo training. We're going to continue with our Igbo training for people who want to learn how to read and write Igbo. Check out the whole channel. Check out my YouTube channel. You see a lot of things that we have done in the channel in regards to Igbo, in regards to other marketing and other things. You see some that will interest you. Okay, today we're looking at okwu ihu na okwu ozi n'asụsụ Igbo. That is direct and indirect speech in Igbo language. Direct and indirect speech in Igbo language. Now, okwu ihu means direct speech. It says okwu ihu bụ ikwupụta okwu mmadụ kwuru etu onye ahụ siri kwuo ya na-etinyeghị mgbanwe ọbụla. That is, saying what somebody said without any form of change. That's what we call okwu ihu. When you say what somebody said without adding anything, that is direct speech. Direct speech, just like when you are reading a novel or reading any article, sometimes you see quotation mark. That quotation mark means it is the direct statement made by that individual, by that person that they are referring to. So that is the thing. So in Igbo we have okwu ihu, which means the direct speech of the person. Then we have examples of okwu ihu, which is njirimara okwu ihu. Njirimara means example. Okwu ihu means okwu ihu, that is direct speech. Njirimara means example. Then one, ọ na-anọ n'ime rekom ngwu, which means it must be in inverted commas. The second one, ọ ga-eji mkpụrụ edemede ukwu ebido. Yes, mkpụrụ edemede ukwu ebido. It must begin with a capital letter. Ukwu means capital. Ukwu, that is U-K-W-U. Ukwu, that one means capital letter. And the next example is that anaghị etinye ma ọ bụ wepụkwanụ okwu ọbụla. Do you understand that? So you don't remove anything or add anything. There is neither addition nor subtraction of word or words. You don't do it. We have examples here. Emeka, look at ọmụmaatụ. Ọmụmaatụ. That ọmụmaatụ means examples. Sorry, that njirimara okwu ihu means characteristics. Please have that in mind. It's not an example. It is characteristics or features of direct speech. You can see the example here. Ọmụmaatụ. Ọmụmaatụ means example. That is A means A in Igbo. Emeka siri. Emeka siri, aha nna m bụ Amadi. Emeka siri, aha nna m bụ Amadi. When you look at that quotation mark that they put between aha and Amadi, that means it is Emeka that has said it. It is the Emeka's saying, his words. Look at the English format. Emeka said, my father's name is Amadi. Alright? Going further, B. Agwara m ha sị. Agwara m ha sị. Okay? Azụtara m nkịta n'ahịa. agwara m ha sị, azụtara m nkịta n'ahịa. Azụtara m nkịta n'ahịa. I told them that I bought dog from the market. I told them that I bought dog from the market. Another example is that she, which is she, nwanyị ahụ sịrị, achọrọ m azụ. Nwanyị ahụ sịrị, achọrọ m azụ. The woman said, I want fish. The woman said, I want fish. Alright, let's move further. The D. Nneka tiri sị, Nneka tiri sị, anwụọla m oo, is exclamation, shouting. Nneka tiri sị, anwụọla m oo. Nneka shouted, I am dead oo. I see the English translation there. You have the E, which is E. Uche kwuru, Uche kwuru, abụ m nwa akwụkwọ. Uche kwuru, abụ m nwa akwụkwọ. Uche said, I am a student. I am a student. The next one. Ada gwara Ifeọma. Ada gwara Ifeọma, emetụkwala m aka ọzọ. Ada gwara Ifeọma, emetụkwala m aka ọzọ. Ada told Ifeọma, do not touch me again. Alright, moving further, the next example, which is the G. Okechukwu kwuru, enwere m ego. Okechukwu kwuru, enwere m ego. Okechukwu said, I have money. Okechukwu said, I have money. Okechukwu said, I have money. Alright? So that is that you can repeat these videos. These are just how to say the direct speech from someone. So let's move into another one. Okay. So we'll turn this in like this. Okay, this one and this thing down. Okay, this one is the next one, which is okwu ozi, which is indirect reported speech, or indirect or reported speech. Okwu ozi, indirect or reported speech. Okay, now look at it. Okwu ozi bụ ịkọgharị ihe mmadụ ọzọ kwuru n'ụzọ ọzọ. That is, it means saying what somebody said in another way. Saying what somebody said in another way. Saying what somebody said in another way. Look at njirimara okwu ozi. That is, characteristics of indirect speech. Njirimara okwu ozi, characteristics of indirect speech. Number 1, I, which means ọ naghị adị n'ime rekom ngwu. Indirect speech does not be in inverted commas. All right. The next one, anaghị enwe mkpụrụ edemede ukwu n'ime ma ọ bụ n'etiti ahịrịokwu. That is, capital letters are not allowed in the middle of a sentence. So please, as I'm reading these things in Igbo, try to read, because all these things has been written in Igbo and in English for your better understanding. The next characteristic is, which is number 3. Nnọchiaha onye mbụ na nnọchiaha onye mbụ onye mbụ na onye nke abụọ ga-abụ onye nke atọ. That is, first and second persons pronoun will change to third persons pronoun. We are going to see example. The next characteristic is ahịrịokwu ajụjụ ga-abụzi ahịrị nkwusa. Ahịrịokwu ajụjụ ga-abụzi ahịrị nkwusa. An interrogative sentence will change to a declarative sentence. And the next one says, V, the fifth one. Nrụ aka, which is a, n'okwu ihu ga-abụ ahụ n'okwu ozi. The demonstrative marker A will change to ahụ. So let's look at ọmụmaatụ, which is example. From here, you understand better. Example, ọmụmaatụ. Look at okwu ihu. Obi sịrị, aha nna m bụ Amadi. Okwu azụ. Obi sịrị na aha nna ya bụ Amadi. Have you seen it now? In that direct speech, the okwu ihu, remember I said that okwu ihu means direct word speech. The direct speech, which is Obi without quotation mark, is a direct word speech. Then okwu ozi means what? Indirect speech. Look at how they put it. Obi sịrị na aha nna ya bụ Amadi. What does that mean? Obi said that his father's name is Amadi. But the direct speech said, aha nna m bụ, Obi sịrị aha nna m bụ Amadi. That means, aha nna m, Obi said, aha nna m bụ Amadi. So just follow up so that you understand better. Let me use the second one. Okwu ihu. Agwara m ya sị, azụtara m azụ. I told him or her. When you hear ya in Igbo, it could be him, it could be her. Agwara m ya sị, I told him or her. I've gotten the fish. Azụ means fish. Then look at okwu ozi, which is the indirect speech. Ọ gwara ya sị na ọ zụtara azụ. He told him or her, saying, I have gotten the fish. All right. Then the next one says, which is the she. Okwu ihu. Nwoke a sịrị. The man said. The nwoke a sịrị. The man said, achọrọ m udo. I want peace. Now look at the okwu ozi. Nwoke ahụ sịrị, that man said. That man said. That man said. Na ya chọrọ udo. That he want peace. That man said that he want peace. That man said that he wants peace. Nwoke ahụ kwuru na ya chọrọ udo. So that is the thing. Then the D part of it, okwu ihu. Nnenna tiri si. Nnenna shouted and said, anwụọla m o. I am dead o. Look at okwu ozi. Nnenna tiri mkpu sị. Nnenna shouted and said, na ya anwụọla, that she is dead. Dead o. So that is it. Then the next one, which is E. Okwu ihu. Ndụka kwuru, abụ m nwa akwụkwọ. Ndụka said, I am a student, according to him. The next one say, Ndụka kwuru sị na ya bụ nwa akwụkwọ. Ndụka said that he is a student. And the next one said, okwu ihu, okay, the F there. Say, Ngozi gwara Ifeoma, emetụkwala m aka. That is, Ngozi told Ifeoma, don't touch me. Next one say, Ngozi, that is okwu ozi. Ngozi gwara Ifeoma ka ọ ghara imetụ ya aka. Ngozi told Ifeoma that she should not touch her. Alright, so you use that to differentiate the both of them. Alright, let's see if we can go ahead. This is what I just... Okay, this is where we'll stop. Next class we'll talk about personal hygiene. Personal hygiene. I don't know if I've done this topic before. That's what we'll talk about, personal hygiene, in our next class.